All right, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. All right, hello, gorgeous ones. How are you? So I'm gonna play in some makeup. It's fall. It is September. We have not officially made it to fall because that's September 21st, but it is starting to get cooler. I live in Chicago, Illinois, so fall and winter is much longer than summer. So just being real. So I want to do some stuff, and I'm going to start getting into my fall colors. Away go the brights. Not really. But I'm thinking about using this Subculture since Lola Lemaire sent it to me, or my Winky Lux Cashmere Kitten. Which one do we think? I'm choices and decisions and everything, but we know what the Subculture looks like, and I've never used it before, so this might be fun. And then Winky Lux, this is the Cashmere Kitten. I think I used it once. I think I played with it once already, and I love their formula. Love their formula. So, and then I have some others that I could play with, because it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. Oh, maybe I should do the Prism palette. I think I'm going to use this tomorrow. Okay, never mind. I'll be using her another day. All right, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to play, and we'll find out which one it is. Who knows? Stay tuned, and you might find out. Oh, and don't forget, I do voiceovers because I got to watch my NCIS because I'm on season 9 now. I've really been watching it. Okay. All right. And so as you can see, I decided to use the Subculture. Of course, you would know that from the title of this video. All right. So I used Roxy as my transition color. I like it. It's a very, I love kind of peachy colors for my transition colors. Something about them, I don't know. I tend to move toward those. Oh, well, let me fix the lighting. Okay, so let me get back to Roxy. No problems here. No patchiness. It blended just fine for me, thank you. All right, so next up, I'm using Untamed in my crease. And I really like this color. I know it's like a deep green color. I don't know, people, now of course I heard that they changed the formulation, so I got the newer formulation, but I like it. And plus I really love the color scheme of the Subculture. It's such a nice, interesting, not the usual norm, with the colors that they chose for this one. And so I'm trying to just, blend in the colors so I don't have any harsh lines. Sorry, I got a cold again. All right, so I'm going to use Rowdy, which is kind of a deep purple, to deepen my outer V and kind of go into my crease. Because I don't feel like your corner, the colors you use to deepen your corner has to be a dark brown, has to be a black. If you have a deep color, it'll be kind of interesting to see how it looks. A darker color, even if it's a purple or a deep blue, that can be kind of interesting as your what is it called, corner color. You know what I'm talking about, outer corner color. Ooh, I went a little dark right there, didn't I? Let me make sure these work out right. Just blend these in a little better with a clean brush.
Alright, so I forgot to show you all that I took edge. I cut my crease and then I decided to put edge in the crease. Nice matte. And then I took Adorn. And I patted that on top of, I think I did, yeah, I did it on the inner half of my lid. So I put the edge down as a base for the lid, and now I'm putting on some shimmer on top. So I'm putting Adorn on top of that. I like to kind of layer things, like especially when I'm dealing with shimmers and stuff. And so next up I'm going to take Electric and I'm going to do the outer part of my lid. And let me tell you, Electric is beautiful. Electric is beautiful. Do y'all see that bright ass green color? Do y'all see that? Y'all don't see that. Y'all don't see that. I am in love with that color. I love that color. I almost didn't say it right. Damn, Louise, keep up with your beauty guru vocabulary. All right, so now I'm using Adorn to blend those two together. By the way, that Electric is so pigmented. I think I said enough. All right, now I'm gonna go and blend the edges with and I didn't add anything, but I just used I was just blending the edges with the Rowdy just to make sure that it was nice and blended. So I'm primarily just pushing product around, not adding any, just pushing it around to blend it. Alright, so now I've got my eyeliner on, all that other good stuff. I actually did a little on my brow bone. I did the dawn. I rarely do my brow bone. I don't know what that was about. I was feeling extra. And so now I'm going to do, what is it I'm doing? Oh, I'm doing the edge underneath my eyes. No, my bad. Untamed, the green. Oh no, excuse me. I need to smoke that out because I don't know what's going on underneath my eyes, but okay, I'm gonna fix it. Fix it. What am I doing? What am I doing, y'all? Oh, I'm looking around. And then I'm gonna put Adorn in the inner corner. I was looking for my brush actually. Alright, so now let me finish my face. Do a few things, put a little liner, lips. Okay, so here is the finished look. I think I used Lulu on my lips. Yeah, that was Lulu I used. So on my lips is Lulu, and here is the eye look. I really like it. I'm liking Subculture for my very first time, but I'm not always of the right opinions, So anyway, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment or two. Don't forget to do that. And be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. You have a great day. Bye-bye.